Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you 5 steps to fix your PlayStation 4 that won't turn on. So for step 1, go to your PlayStation 4, turn it around, and unplug the power cord, and leave it unplugged for at least 1 minute, and then plug it back in. Now if it still doesn't work, perform a longer reset by unplugging it and leave it unplugged for 20 minutes, and then plugging it back in. Now locate where you have your PlayStation 4 plugged into a power source, and disconnect it from this, and then plug it back in as well. Otherwise, try a different power source and plug it directly into a wall outlet. You might not be drawing enough power from your power strip to turn on your PlayStation 4. Now there's 3 different ways that we can try to trick our PlayStation 4 into turning on. Now the first way is by using a game disc. Simply try inserting it, and when I insert it, my PlayStation 4 will power on. Also, you can connect your controller via a USB cable just like this and plug the other end into your controller. Just hold down the PlayStation button right here and your PS4 should turn on. And then the third option is to just hold down the physical power button on the PlayStation 4 itself. Another thing you should look at is the hard drive on the PS4. Maybe this is not connected all the way, so you can remove the cover by simply moving it to the left. And here's my hard drive. There will be 1 screw right here. So I removed the screw. Now I'm going to take out the hard drive and I can inspect it. Then if you have compressed air, blow the hard drive with the compressed air. If you have the original model, there could be some dust collected on here, and when you press the power button, that could be the reason why it's not turning on. Just simply spray some compressed air right here and blow any dust on the sensor. Now if that doesn't work, take your USB cord, plug into your controller, and then plug it into the front of the console. And hold down the power button, and keep holding it down for about 10 seconds, so you will hear 1 beep initially, and then you will hear another beep. Now on your controller, press the PlayStation button, and you should be able to operate the safe mode menu now with the D-pad on your controller. And we can go to option number 5, rebuild database, and just go through this step. Also, we can go to change the resolution. Maybe the default resolution on your screen is not what your PlayStation 4 is set to, so you can go to this and change the resolution so you can get a signal. Then you can update the system software, restore the default settings, or your last option would be to go to option number 6, initialize, and factory reset your PlayStation 4. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.